Let's move on and start discussing questions related to grammar portion. Our today's grammatical topic is of active and passive voices. We have already discussed the rules for active and passive voices for different tenses in chapter number 20. So let's begin solving the exercise. So the first exercise is active and passive voice. It's a crime story and we have to fill the blanks. First is the police dash just dash and we have word announce. So the police has just announced that the bank dash and we have verb rob in brackets yesterday, that the bank was robbed yesterday. Two men dash and we have word enter in brackets the bank at 4:30 with guns in their hands, entered. Fourth is customers and bank clerks dash and we had word ask in brackets to lie down on the floor and one of the bank clerks dash second word is make in brackets to fill the robber's bag with money. Customers and bank clerks were asked to lie down on the floor and one of the bank clerks was made to fill the robber's bag with money. After that, two men left the bank quickly. The police officer Nawab Ali says that more than 200,000 rupees dash steal. We have word steal in brackets yesterday, but nobody dash, and we have another word injure in bracket. So the police officer Nawab Ali says that more than 200,000 rupees were stolen yesterday, but nobody was injured. Nawab Ali believes that the robbers dash and we have word find in brackets soon. Nawab Ali believes that the robbers will be found soon. The bank dash we have word close in brackets since yesterday. The bank has been closed since yesterday. Let's move on to another exercise, which is ask questions about the robbery. So again we have to fill in the blanks and we are given the same format. We're given some words in brackets. So what time dash the two men dash the bank and we have word enter in brackets at 4:30 is the answer to this question. So what time did the two men enter the bank? Second is what dash the customers and bank clerks dash to do, and we have word ask in brackets. Answer to this question is they were asked to lie down on the floor. So what were the customers and bank clerks asked to do? Third one is what dash one of the clerks dash to do. Answer to this question is to fill the robber's bag with money. So what was one of the clerks made to do? Fourth is how much money dash by the robbers and we have word steal in brackets. Answer to this question is more than 200,000 rupees. How much money was stolen by the robbers? Fifth is dash anybody dash and we have word injure in brackets. Answer to this question is no, nobody has been injured. Has anybody been injured? Sixth is how long dash the bank dash and we have word close in brackets. Answer to this question is it will be closed for 2 days. How long will the bank be closed? So we are done with our grammar portion. So with this we have come towards the end of our today's video lecture. I hope जो भी आज हमने पढ़ा वो आपको clarity के साथ समझ आया होगा. Inshallah we'll be talking about some new topic in our next video. Till then, take care. This is Maha, your English instructor, signing out.